Welcome to the video that answers the question, what is the Algebra 1 Beginning of Year Screener? The Algebra 1 Beginning of Year Screener is a diagnostic assessment that is tied to the previous grade level's prerequisite texts. Since this assessment is given to every Algebra 1 student at the beginning of the school year, it tests problem solving with 8th grade concepts and applications, skills that students studying Algebra 1 should have mastered. It is important to note that there is no time limit for the problem-solving screener. If a student takes much longer than other students, then that rate of speed is worth noting, but don't cut a student off if they are still productively engaging with the assessment. On the other hand, don't allow a student to sit frustrated for a lengthy amount of time, unable to answer any items. Use your professional judgment. This paper and pencil assessment may be given to the whole class at the same time. The Algebra 1 Beginning of Year Screener is 20 questions long. Visuals are used as appropriate in the assessment, which is a mix of multiple choice and griddable items. The entire assessment is linked on the Math Personalized Learning site for you to print, copy, and staple for your class. This paper-pencil assessment, once again, may be given to the whole class at one time. A key that denotes which 8th grade math TEKS each question aligns to will be provided on the Math Personalized Learning site. A bare-bones key in the form of a data analysis spreadsheet exists, and a more detailed one is to come. That's why it hasn't been linked yet. There will be an updated key each school year in DMAT.